what is the email account URL link to log into Hostinger account? So let's see. In a web browser, we will need to type and search this URL, mail.hostinger.com. We need to click this first link in the browser, which will bring us to the email account login page of Hostinger. You can see here the Hostinger email account login form. Here in the first field, we will need to enter the email account created with Hostinger. And in the second field, we will need to enter the email account password set up in Hostinger. Finally, click and log into the email account. And done, we are inside the email account. Here we can read the emails received and compose and send emails to clients. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for video updates like this.